Hi, I'm Coastal Kristy. Today I'm at Cottages at Romar. Beautiful Gulf front development in Orange Beach, Alabama. Here we have a place where families can come to play and relax in the zero entry pool. There's plenty of green space. There are restrooms at the pool. There's also plenty of room to throw your football and just enjoy great family time here at Cottages at Romar. So at Cottages at Romar, you've got your own private beach access with sugar white sands and emerald coastlines, the best beaches along the Gulf Coast. So Cottages at Romar, they do not hit the market very often, so when they do, you should analyze it. Look at the rental income. Look at the expenses, meaning insurance and taxes. Trust your realtor, hopefully me, to analyze the facts and let you know if this is the best investment for you here along the Alabama Gulf Coast. Hope these tips have helped you. I'm Kristy Bushaw. You can reach me by the link below or simply go to kristybushaw.com.